holding overnight. So basically, it's not, for all intents and purpose, kind of near the closing price. They just agree to a price that's like fair at the end of the day, so you can't manipulate it. I know for me, when I was trading professionally, it was important psychologically because that was where your P&L was marked on products. And so and until I figure out if it's good or not,
Okay.
or if they want to pay me,
Oh, that's an option.
There you go.
that's an option. There's my option. Give me a little premium. Full disclosure, nobody pays me besides top step people.
Same here. All right, let's see. Get some continuation. Still have yesterday's low. Yesterday's low down at 57.20. In the S&P, we saw 300 lot in the NASDAQ down at 20,000 yesterday. So we'll see if that bid is still sitting down there. Books aren't picking it up yet because we're not at that low. Yesterday's low in the NASDAQ 20,003. Getting this close to 20,000, you got to start thinking about it as a magnet and the market trading towards it. Do we short into it? That's the question. And that major 20,000 level is going to be important. 300 contracts sitting there yesterday. We'll see whether or not the market wants to hold up there again or sell through it. And if we sell through 20,000,
I'll do it. I'll do it.
you'll
Though
do it.
though I'm long, I will do it if we get close
Okay,
to 20,000. The low yesterday was 20,003. Feels
20,003.
like
Yep.
unfinished business. Um, Hopefully I don't get my face ripped off. It's gonna be how fast I could move the stop once it does go through.
Or just trade it with a micro, right? You've been killing it with the micros this week. Feel a little less pain if it
True,
goes the other way.
true, but that's the kind of trade where if you're gonna do it, do it. Like you
All
gotta
the way.
put a little bit of size to it because there's no point doing it with a micro because I'm not trying to hold it.
Makes
Um,
sense.
Although, I mean, think about it. Early in this show's run, MP was the first person to buy 5,000 in the ES, and he did
Yes,
it
he
with a
was.
50 lot and took it for 3 ticks, 4 ticks. Uh, great trade short term, but it kind of shows you the idea that like even now, probably just should have held on to that 50 lot.
Yeah, just keep rolling it over.
I mean, even at 5,700, what's 700 points times 50 times 50? Uh, Even after the sell off, he'd lose some in the roll, but let's say he'd be up somewhere around $1.5 million in that trade.
Pretty nice trade. Looking at Jason B says, looking at the 4-hour chart in gold, isn't that a huge inverted head and shoulders? I'm going to be completely honest with you guys. I say this all the time on Top Step TV. Looking at head and shoulder patterns, I'm the worst at identifying them. Where would there be a head and shoulders here? Is this the head here? If it's inverted, head down here, shoulder here, shoulder here. Is that what we're looking at? And then this would be the neckline. It looks like that makes sense. And then the trade would be if this breaks this neckline, then we continue, but it's holding so far.
Which product is that? NQ?
This is gold
Gold.
on a 4-hour chart.
Good things to look at. Be careful when you're doing, if you're doing technical analysis to there's a technical like a stats word for this, like keeping on looking until you get it, like sort of seeking out, like you're looking for Head and Shoulders, so you're gonna look at every time frame until you find it.
Right.
But do it. I for one, I would not. In Jay, my natural state is I like to be in trades a little longer. Like
Right.
truth be told, my discretionary trading, if I'm trading my own stuff, is more on like the week to a month time frame.
Makes sense.
Um, but we're doing this.
Do you think that comes from your professional background as a trader, Jack? Were you guys putting on trades and kind of holding them and just letting it work for a little while?
No, it was a little short. Like we generally wouldn't hold positions for a week. We'd hold stuff
Okay.
overnight, but it was just we were just mean reverting everything. It was a whole different type of trading. Um, I think now with it, it's more of like where I'm trying to find an edge. I think that I've said this a
Yeah,
million times. I think a lot of these trades that we make or take are just way too leveraged in that. Let me get my phone calculator again. It's like a 20-point stop in the NASDAQ, right? We're at 20,000, so that's easy math. Okay. So, like, you're getting blown out on 0.1% move. And to me, like, 0.1% in anything is noise. If you can make it work, like, I'm not saying this is right or wrong, but um, I think it's pretty random whether a product will go 0.1% one way or another.
for sure. It makes a lot of sense when you look at it that way. And I think that's why it's important to manage risk, especially in a shorter time frame. Right? We were talking about that S&P trade uh, earlier in the week, where you said, "Hey, I'd buy it off the 200 moving average, put a wide stop, and just let this one work." Right? If we could. Um, but you're okay with that because it's a longer time frame idea, right? I think a lot of times what happens with day traders is we think that our ideas should be right, so we hold on to them. But like you said, it's very random whether or not we go 0.1% in either direction. Uh, so to put your whole account on a pretty close to random move just doesn't really make sense from a risk management perspective when you look at it that way, Jack.
Yeah, I'm big. Also, when I was trading professionally, like everything was like I'm big into hedging. I don't like taking outright risk. So, in my own stuff, kind of rather than take like I don't trade. Well, it's 6 a.m. where everyone else is. I don't want to go in too much of like what the other stuff I'm trading is, but it's usually trying to find uh over exuberant premiums, and then I think I'm good at hedging myself. So
Okay,
I'm thinking if something's being that's how I got was in that GameStop trade forever for instance. If something's being over exuberant, I'm like, fine, I will take that and try and mitigate my own risk as best I can.
got you.
Well, boys, we are soon approaching 20 after the hour, and we're going to be taking a break here. Got fast markets coming up. Excuse me. We got Dolby going to be driving. Jack's going to be with us here, Coach Jay and Kevin Yu. Can't wait to see Kevin again here back with us at Top Step. But throughout the day, John London, Real Deal Zach, Anne Marie, James D. We've got what I am looking forward to today is our reversal challenge. It's our friends in KC versus the Toronto team, U.S. versus Canada. A friendly wager of maple syrup or barbecue sauce in our reversal challenge. We got Dolby, VWeb George, James D, Min, and Hudson going to be playing that. So I'm looking forward to that. But We got a couple minutes here. Just want any closing comments from Jack and Jay? Jack?
Yeah. I'm just gonna lay out what I'm looking at for today as quickly as I can. Uh, the number didn't do much. That was a big number. We have Powell 1130. Besides tweets, those are the two big things I'm looking at. Right now, we're at the 200-day moving average in SPX. Friday, if it's building a trend, option expiration, I'm looking to hop on that trend. I am looking to dip my toe into buying very slowly at about 57.10 in the SPX. But if it starts building momentum below 5,700 with the options, I'm getting out. Calling it a weekend.
Okay.
Jay, any final words from you?
The markets have been presenting opportunities all week. No reason to force anything. So I'm going to be patient going into the open. I've had a good week so far. If you had a great week so far, no need to try to push it on a Friday if the market isn't presenting opportunities. And if you haven't had a great week, you don't need to recover it today either. It's a ton of trading days. This is just one of 250 for the year. So don't try to force it. Manage your risk.
Capital Preservation Friday. Right. Enjoyed the show. All right, gentlemen. We're going to take a few minutes here. And coming back here, Dolby, Jack, Jay, and Kevin for our fast markets. Don't go away.
Stay tuned. We'll be right back.
I promise.
Let's do it. Sorry about that, Eddie. Here's your transition. Enjoy the skyline.
Stay tuned.
Let's take a break. Oh, this is not break time. It's 28 on the. Ready for the opening bell or what? Good morning, good afternoon, traders from around the world. This is the best that we can do as human beings. Learn trading, because this in the long run will benefit us as financially free once we apply our knowledge, what we learn in our education, the foundation, the principles, the starting points are essential for the growth of a trader. Essential for the growth of a trader. See, it's hanging here. It's hanging here. So what we do, we take where are my little babies right here. You know, let me remove this one. Actually, let me do the settings and let me do template, save as this one right here. Save those. Yeah, okay, so now let's do the 3070. Apply. Okay, so we remove, did we remove that one? Yeah. Okay, so the 3070 is right here. How are we gonna play with this? This is up here. What time is this? 8:30. 8:30. Let me see a little bit. Wow, a little bit, a lot of little bit. I would have been king, man. Oh man, it will come. I'm patient. I'm patient. I'm learning. The idea is not to blow the account. The idea is to have it hanging so we can. This babies I'm gonna put up here. Actually, I'm gonna do it right now. Copy, paste, copy price. Interesting. It says copy. It says copy, but you copy it to where? Can I copy it to here? Interesting. Still learning. It's a process. It's a process learning. Oh, they came back. Top Step team came back. Nope, not yet. Not here anyway. Why? Why? Let me cross you out. Because if you're there, why you're not here? If you're there, why you're not here?
We will see
There.
here. Kevin's trade is hanging on for dear life right now. Also, Coach Jay, I'm looking at this NASDAQ ladder. Goodness gracious, is it very spotty. Very, very spotty. Lots of missing prices, very low liquidity, low volume. What do you see on the volume here, Jay? You're the volume guy.
Well, 30 seconds.
Ooh, 30 seconds to open. That could be
Days
it.
on
You
mute.
beat it. Oh,
Days
$20.
on mute.
Oh, I'm
Oh,
on.
mute in
Here we go.
Brooklyn.
Here we go.
It's so thin, yeah.
Very,
because
very
Okay,
thin, a lot of
came
volume,
back to
which means a lot
this.
of price action.
Let's see what happens here.
that's right.
Love it. We are price action junkies. Chat, yesterday, I asked you, are you
Okay,
trying to get 1%? Ooh, there's the open.
let's
Okay,
do the
I'm
15
stopped.
minute because I like to
It's
do
okay.
15
Shake out a
minute
little
here.
bit. Kevin got stopped
He
out.
came
That
to
is
this.
A-okay. We got
Nice.
plenty of money to
Nice,
trade.
nice,
Going all the way
Yeah,
to
that's
nice,
the
right.
nice. I just learned something.
Oh, Kevin, did it just stop
So
on you for a rally?
you have a level.
Really? So
You
nasty.
want to get to it?
Anyways,
Let's
chat,
see what
yesterday
he
I asked
does
you,
now.
what are you going to get 1% better in? And some of y'all said some stuff, and I hope today that you did it. So if you did do it, please let us know in chat if you did do your 1% getting better at thing. And if you didn't, put in chat, what do you want to get 1% better
59,
at today? It's a Friday.
66,
A lot of things.
70.
Think of an easy
Wow.
one, which is Capital Preservation Friday. So
72, 66, 72,
lose a bunch of
70.
money on Friday. Try not doing it.
No
Go into the
80s
weekend
yet.
with a fresh mind.
No 80s yet.
You can come back on Monday and just have a wonderful and clean trading session. Do not want to take that stress into the weekend. Nice range here in the NASDAQ, actually. 20,040 evens, kind of holding.
Wow.
Long
80
trend
hasn't
there.
shown.
Bam! Got it.
As I said, as I said this morning, I'm gonna try and do here
Antonio.
the all important question:
Very good.
can we hold? And I'm sharing my.
That's going to be my go-to setup right here. You see this candle at
sharing my
9?
other charts here. The
He
question
put
is,
in
can
a
we
low,
hold
right?
57?
This was an
10,
important candle. Then this one,
5700 SPX. We
right
could see some
before they
acceleration
open,
beyond
the
that,
new
in which case I'll be out,
930
but
candle.
I am fine
He open,
for now doing this. Go ahead, Dolby.
open,
That's a great range trade.
low,
I mean, I'm looking at
to
the
come
NASDAQ right now. I
here,
have to assume they look very similar.
and then
I think they do.
bam,
Jack has been
to the
just
moon.
an absolute sniper with these MES
That's next.
contracts, proving that you can absolutely get it done with micros. Might have to hold your trades for a little bit, but Jack has diamond hands, does not have salad hands.
What took place here? Let's
Super well. How's the crown
everybody
been doing
check
pretty good,
this
the
out.
last 2 days? I think we're probably plus
That's what we
$2
got.
grand. We scratched
Long and
Wednesday,
short.
had a nice day yesterday. We'll see what we put up today. Might get a little bit goofy today because it is the last day. And I don't know, Jack. Trading size is always a lot of fun. Maybe we can find a market to squeeze into maybe 5 contracts. Maybe it's ES. Find a nice ES trade.
So Dolby, because I'm doing the ES stuff,
Oh, I can do 10Q.
I'm putting on you. If we get down to around 20,000, I'll rely on you to take the short through it.
Okay. I kind of like shorts at 20,080, to be honest, in this NASDAQ. They're pretty tempting. Nice little consolidation down there.
Yeah, settlement right at
I'm long
89
here.
in the NASDAQ.
You're long, Kevin?
I'm long at 58. I'm long at 58.
Ooh, okay, nice. So Kevin,
Kevin.
are you bullish? Are you bullish all day today?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think
Okay.
so. Yes.
So what?
But
what
I didn't.
What,
I didn't.
go ahead.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
I was gonna say, what has you bullish? So bullish today?
What? Excuse me.
Sorry, what has you so bullish today?
What has me so bullish today?
Yeah, why are you bullish, NQ?
Why? Because it's at the daily chart, the lowest point at the daily chart. So
got it.
we can see from the 60-minute chart. You can see that. See, there's a support on this area.
Oh, he's right.
Ooh, okay.
Right, you can see NASDAQ, and also the daily chart.
He's right. It
and
hit
the
2024.
You can also see
2024
around like
2004.
50 something, 20,000, 50 something.
2024.
So this is why I place my long short, and maybe in 5 or 10 minutes I'm gonna break even.
Break. Okay, so is it time stop or we got great momentum here? This trade is really shaping up, Kevin.
Yeah, we got great.
Really.
So this is.
Up.
Oh, look at the orders came in. Oh my God, a 94. A 94.
Here.
Wow, 20,058. How about it?
84.
Good trade.
Nice. Yeah, nice trade. Right off the bottom of the range. Cross-referencing multiple time frames to get into a really nice trade.
Oof,
All right, Kevin, keep us posted on that one. Jay,
Okay,
what do
no
you see?
problem.
Yeah, what do
Jay,
you got,
we're on
Eddie?
your quarters here. Gold, 72% long. You looking at that gold trade again?
I am, Eddie. I'm looking
No.
at 21s
No.
to buy. I'm looking at 21s in gold
Right.
to get long there.
Okay.
To get a pullback
So
here.
that's why those orders came in.
Nice.
And
NASDAQ,
now
75%
more coming
long.
in.
ES, 72% long
9.
in the
Wow.
tilt.
All right, dude, Kevin, crushing this trade.
Awesome.
Kevin,
Oh,
you've had a
yeah.
history of putting on some very nice trades on Top Step TV. What's your kind of take profit here? How are you going to manage this trade? I think I saw that you were in 3 contracts.
Two
Okay,
NASDAQ.
2 contracts.
Yes.
Nice.
So
House
normally
account.
I would do a strategy called I will take one profit and leave the other one run as far as it can go.
That's fine. Okay. Jack, what'd you have? Update
We're
on
still
the
just
MES?
yeah, we're along 3 MES.
Okay.
Well, let's chill. Today's going to be a losing day for me. If we go significantly below 5,700, that's where I'll puke it out. Otherwise, we're just going to do it.
Wow.
Also,
Got some good clearance
it's
there.
Friday. I have a hop water that I'm drinking. There's no booze in here, but just in case someone sees Lagunitas thing.
Ooh, yes.
Oh,
the
I
hot
got
water.
break even.
So you're out.
So the market yeah, zero out. The market
Okay.
should not come back because it's so strong, but it should not come back. So I'll take a step back and wait here.
Yeah,
See
Kevin,
if
do you
it's got the
normally trade?
momentum.
Do you normally trade the open and chat? Do you normally trade the open, or do you like waiting a little bit?
No,
I'm more of a waiting
no.
guy.
I normally trade like maybe 30 minutes after the open.
Yeah.
And also it's late here. It's late in Taiwan, so I usually trade in the snow market. Especially, I love the European time.
What time is that for you to trade the European session?
European session is 4 p.m.
Oh, that's
4
nice.
p.m. is the start. Yeah, the market opens at 4 p.m. here. So European session is quite good for people to trade because it's got momentum.
Yeah.
And it's not
For a
that
while.
fast.
For a while, the European session was one of the hotter times to trade, and I think that was because people were kind of over Trump tweets taking over. This thing was Jack. When was this? Like maybe early February, late January. As soon as he kind of got in, where like a lot of people were kind of flocking to the European session because they want to get Trump tweeted during the open of the markets, or during really any time the market's open, because he can do whatever he wants.
Those markets
Order
are
filled.
Tweeted now too.
Fill me
Real
low.
quick, someone asked why we're not showing
You feel me
positions
low.
at the top. Welcome. This is day 3 of Survivor Top Step.
That's right.
Their meetings this week is just me and Dolby. And
Order filled.
And so
And friends.
I'm running the software on the boxes up too, and I don't have.
Okay,
time to
so
talk
we
there,
back
but
to green.
I'm sharing my screen. You can see what the positions are for long 3 MES.
I was thinking about what that guy was saying. Blah, 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 so on and so forth. But we are coming up to 9:39. We chill. Let's see how the 15-minute
We're almost off the island, Jack.
fares
We're almost
out
there. The
here.
lifeboat is coming.
But we came back from 200.
Oh, wow, look at this 20,040s bouncing 50 points. 5-minute range in NQ holding up. Very
And now
nicely.
we need to
About a
adjust
80
this
point range
again.
in NASDAQ off the open. Should
You know,
be less
Dolby time,
chit-chat. We're trading.
if that rescue boat wouldn't have came in another week, me and Jack were talking about eating you. So I'm glad
Really,
that
I am like a skinny chicken wing. Really, you're not gonna get a whole lot out of me.
I know.
Yeah,
but
we'd have to
like,
braise Dolby, that's for sure.
100%.
Okay.
100%.
So we're lucky. I had to confess.
All right. Well, hey, gotta keep the family alive somehow.
So
Somehow.
now
who's the most
this is the
succulent-
5 And
Listen,
now
on
we're
Top Step
going for the
TV, who we-
15. We got
I'd probably last
we're still
everybody a
working
good
on
meal
the
for about a
15.
good week and a half. I mean, I'm
15-minute candle right here.
I was gonna say
Caucasian
Hogan's
Fat
pickled,
Albert.
but Hogue is, I think, sober. I don't know if we can. I don't know if Hogue is pickled anymore.
I like this
not
guy's
empty, he's
style.
full of
2 and
espresso
break
on.
even.
Oh, 100%.
Tough meat.
So look it. Orders came in hard
That's a good one. Kevin, you long again? We got right back down to
at
20,000.
18.
Yeah, I long at 49.75 again.
Again.
And
Oh,
you
back
can
to the
you can
well.
see I turn on the chart here. My entry point is right here.
This was
Right
easier,
next to
man. I should have done it here.
This pin bar, and this is my hit zone here.
Kevin, next time you get into a trade, you have to tell everyone on screen to shut up so I can hop into your trade with you. Because that was a insanely good entry. Kevin already putting on a clinic. Kind of, if you actually just close this trade and left, you would have an amazing session on Top Step TV, and you were here for 10 minutes. This is what we all want trading to be. Wake up, put in 15 minutes of work, nail a couple 50-point bangers, and just be done with your day.
Okay, so 15, 41.
And right now I'm having a free trade right here. So, and I'll explain a little bit about my take profit point.
Yeah, let's.
That would be, I'll explain it. It's quite easy. It's at the height of the maybe the slow market session. See, yeah. So I'm thinking that the market will go up over there, but if the stock, like, if it happens like here, if it's got the pin bar over here, I might just go out as well because it's got a lot of
down.
resistance over here.
We are down.
A lot of people stuck.
We are very down
in this area. So
really
I'm
good.
just wait. Yeah.
What got you into that trade? Because I'm just seeing it as like a range trade and it through my lens of a trader, but you have actually, a pin bar strategy.
Yeah, this is my pin bar strategy. See this area, and I see a pin bar happen in this area. So this is kind of a sign that the market is gonna stop, and it's really stopping. So the pin bar at the bottom, at the support area. So
he's talking about the one that I mentioned earlier.
I'll place my trade next bar over the edge of the pin bar.
Nice.
Okay.
Wow, what an entry.
So this is okay. It's time to go. Time to go. Okay.
Put that already up 2K on the day, 2K on real.
This is what I see.
Boom, taking profit up 4,000 in minutes. Okay.
He's looking at this right here.
For your clinic. That was a very good trade.
Now what do we do?
Yeah,
I don't know.
I took it with you.
Trades.
So like, I'm gonna be complete. Okay, let me switch up. I'm gonna update that top person in chat. Wait a second. I
still got 2 more minutes.
Kevin, so we realized
Chill out.
And I was going to say just before that, it's probably true, is that my expected value of being on this stream from here on out is definitely negative. I'll tell you why.
And
I put on that trade. There's now 2 options. It's either going to be the bottom of the day, or I would have been like stopped out at break even.
Sorry, we need 15 minutes.
If I had walked away,
15 minutes.
The expected value would be much higher. That
yeah, it looks like the BWAP is right there. Because it's this one, right?
I took 2 off so I can hopefully put it back on. We'll see.
9:15.
Hey, we might get back up to top of range and sell off again. You know, anything could happen. Oh my God, look at this run.
Yeah,
this is just bored here.
Okay, I got flat so that I can hopefully.
Let's do it here.
I didn't have enough micros on to make it worth it. So house accounts up 290. I'll update that.
Great start. Great start. Chat, do you have a good start to the trading session? You bullish? Are you bearish NASDAQ for the ES? What are your opinions on commodities? Jay, can you run us through some commodities right now? I haven't even taken a look yet.
Yeah, let's take a look. So we got crude oil did have a pop after the opening range in crude. We are trading back up towards, and we just got a ton of volume that just came in the equities. But crude is trading back up towards that OPEC plus candle. We have 68 is the low of that OPEC plus. We're going to increase our supply news. And then we got gold. Let's take a look at gold. Gold's still pretty much in this range. Gold has been in a range over the past 4 or 5 days or so. 2900 is the low, 2940 up at those highs, and we're kind of right in the middle of it right now.
Okay.
Feels like the equities are the show for now. And then we'll just do one honorable mention, RBOB gasoline futures, because D said this has been a better trade than crude recently. Looks like it's trending as well. The one thing about it's very thin. So limit orders, pick your spots and trust your trade, because that is a thin order book for sure.
Oh, no kidding. Thank you for running us through those, Jay.
No problem.
Chad, what is your opinion? Chad, are you bullish or bearish today? Kind of in a range right now. Kind of in a range.
Kevin, what's your P&L?
Me? 39,000 or 3,900.
Okay. Well done. 39,000. Any news coming up?
I think
we
today is a very good day to be bullish. Yeah.
Order filled.
Be bullish. Yeah, we do have a lot of Fed speakers coming up. There's a gauntlet starting at 9 a.m. So about 15 minutes from now. We're gonna have to
we had. I mean, our numbers came out. The only thing else we have here today, as far as an economic number, is our Baker Hughes rate count. But as you said, there'll be time. Bowman's going to be speaking. Williams, Kugler, Powell, Kugler again. We also do have a little later on this afternoon. Trump's going to be signing some more executive orders. And he's going to remark on the Digital Asset Summit. That's later on this afternoon. There you have it.
Cool. Thank you, Eddie, for that little update. So markets might be getting a little bit range bound, getting into the Fed speakers. Maybe shorts start looking a little tempting.
We're gonna get green as soon as we get green.
We were down 3% yesterday.
Let's go with that.
No.
No, it did not.
Really.
Come on.
But it was. You look up at the screen and it's like, whoa, really?
We got 3.
How did we get here?
Come on.
You know what it was? Most of the move, half of the move happened in London, right? So we trade mostly the New York session, but if you look at the chart yesterday, most of that move, we were down at 1.5% when we opened in the S&P.
Come on, baby. Come on.
By the way, for all digital assets.
Order filled.
I don't have a limit.
What a nightmare to get $83.
So you probably don't either.
What a nightmare. But hey, I gotta survive. I have to survive. I keep looking at, my 75. Can we get here? Sure. Look at that. 2041. That's a nice number.
Bound here. Dip down. The OGs know this box has been here for a while. This is not a new purple box. So that could be interesting if you want to ride that dragon. Once again, not financial advice.
Excuse me a second.
Yep, we all love Jack's purple box. It's one of our favorites here at Top Step TV. NQ still pushing highs, 20,200s. Got some resistance, let's say between 20,228 and maybe 20,270s or so. Might see some sellers come in. Otherwise, we can't push through 300s. Back to a range-bound day again. Gold might be in a 3-minute range. Apple up 2% off the open. I saw that Tesla went green, so maybe Mag 7 is on the up and up and might just rip this thing higher.
We're all clear. We're cleared for takeoff to 58.10 in the ES.
58.10.
And I was right when I said I should have just left. But so be it.
I'd be interested in cheap shorts around 20,225s. with some tight risk. We might be able to squeeze 20 points off there and get on base.
Any shorts today, you must take, Bill.
All right, I can do that. Not a problem. Slow Morrow 67. What do you guys think about the idea of futures trading 24 hours? Seems like it's coming. Jack, any opinion on 24-hour futures trading?
Well, I mean, it's already what?
23.
22 and a half hours, 23 hours, 5 days a week. Our good friends at the CME want that commission. There are already things like Bitcoin that trade 24 hours. Robinhood has the overnight markets during the week. Yeah, it'll come. I can guarantee one thing about it. We will not be streaming on Saturday or Sunday.
Oh, don't even put that out in the ether, Jack. Don't you dare.
I just took a short in the S&Ps, just a quick feeler short up at these highs, 57.67. Looking for a retest of the New York session VWAP down at 57.50.
Nice entry.
Yeah, nice
Thank
range. You. Mo, don't even entertain the idea. Could you imagine Jack just having some interns run the stream Saturday, Sunday, just 24 hours a day?
I mean, that's kind of what they're doing now.
Yeah, I know.
They're all drinking their fancy cocktails and eating their rotisserie meats, and we're
sashimi.
Dolby, Jack, and Eddie are just streaming.
Hanging out with chat, hanging out with Kevin. Kevin, any trades?
No, not any trades. Let me see if I can find anything else to do. Because if I miss my entry, I won't place a trade anymore. So the only place I will enter the market is for the ones I just did.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got
so
it.
if I miss that, I won't do any trade anymore because it's not my setup.
So you're a pretty disciplined trader then, right? You're just, if it's not your setup, not taking it.
No, not really.
Yeah. Ooh, push here in NASDAQ highs 20,225. We're talking about a cheap short here, but I have salad hands today.
All right, I am flat on that. Flat down 377 right now.
Down 377.
Oh man,
I
wish you would have cut those 21s, Jay.
Yeah, I know, Eddie. I was looking for that pullback. It's all right. We'll find another one.
I was too, boy.
Yeah, if we can get maybe above these 230s and pull back to 230, maybe we get a new kind of long-term trend forming. We can get kind of push out, back, maybe support becomes resistance, so on and so. Yeah, what do you got?
Yeah. No, I mean, if the NASDAQ is going like this way, it's even better. The ceiling becomes the floor.
That's what I'm seeing. That's what I want to see.
Yeah,
Kevin.
yeah. That's even better.
Yeah, so no shorts here right now.
Yeah, let me
cheap.
Pulling up my other thing. Keep them cheap.
I said it. I ain't going over there anything.
These are day candles.
Not
where I want to be
my
holding on to
technicals,
short.
man.
Let me zoom in a little bit here. I mean,
good point.
Maybe, unless we're testing the lows of the day, it's like, what level are you trying to grab here? Maybe 5,800, which would be 5,810. That's also a high day there. Okay, I'll give you that.
I'll show you something.
Before that, you do you.
I'll show you something.
Yeah, I mean, not here right now, but I mean, maybe 5786 is potential. If it's NASDAQ, 20,000.
Yes, right?
270s. But if you have a bullish bias, then there's
where is it?
Definitely off the table. But if you go to like a 1 hour chart, I mean, it's stair stepping low, and we're getting to the high of the previous stair step. So it kind of just depends what time frame you're
58
on. But maybe if we go to like
70
a larger time frame, like a 10-day, or sorry, a 1 day, then we got
58.
Really good support. We're Kevin
I mean,
initially
781. We are 774.
And direction you're looking at.
This prior. Check it
Certainly
out.
a confluence point, though.
Check it out.
At this level, something's going to happen. A lot of eyes on this.
But we could start one of those Friday. People talk about like the melt up or melt
Told you.
down on
Mm.
Fridays. Options expire on Fridays, and you
Check the
could
video
just see the
before prior
rolling of
to
them
this one.
higher and higher, or we do break
Over
lower and
there.
lower. Should make for an interesting. Who do we have in Power Hour today?
Oh, we're doing reversal challenge.
Yeah.
Missouri, Kansas City versus Canada. It's our first team game. of
Maple
Reversal
syrup
Challenge.
or barbecue sauce. I think that's
Yeah.
a great bet.
It's a great bet.
We got VWeb George. We got James D. We got Min. We got Hudson.
CL,
Canadian team.
CL,
Cool stuff.
right here.
Should be a very fun time. Ooh, okay. NASDAQ trying
Look
to
at that.
push.
Look at that.
Rise again.
Look at that.
This
Told
over
you.
the wire here, economic advisor has it saying that we will see a bigger hit on the government employment in the next report. Oh boy. Can't wait. This is just over the wire here.
All right, Dolby. I'm gonna go grab hop water. Kevin, I'll go to your screen. I'll be right back.
Cool. Sounds good.
So
Sounds good.
what we're gonna do here
hop water. I always thought
is
that kinda
change
smells like
this
dank. Hop water.
to
Just hot water.
Hop water. Hop. Like hippity hop.
day trader. What's it?
It's not bad.
Go
I see
take
people
off
are
here.
asking. I
So,
see people are
Kevin?
asking about daily range. I'm looking at the taxes. Yeah, so this is the daily range. This is the daily chart.
Yep.
So the range is about here and here. Well, it's quite a big range.
That's huge.
Oh my. Yeah, but this is exactly what it is. This is the market. It shows the big range over here over these 4 days. So you can see from the our chart.
Yeah, Kevin, do you want to kind of,
What
while we have time
Gemini
here,
do I
look at
have
those
here?
240s
Yeah.
just rolled
This
off.
is pathetic. What is
Super
this?
hands today.
From
Kind of go over your
here.
strategy, like maybe like the basics of it, just so people at
No
chat
problem.
can kind of
Okay,
follow
I
along.
have no problem. I have prepared some stuff for people. Okay, so this is the basic
You got a
highs
whole
and lows.
slideshow? Are you kidding me? Look, this is crazy. All right.
Yes,
here's the
I
slideshow.
did. I drawed it one by one.
All right, you have,
Okay,
you have 5
No.
minutes to do your slideshow.
no problem. Okay, I got no problem. So the market moved within the zone. So this is exactly what we saw, right? So the 60-minute go up and down, up and down. Okay. So someone broke the support and causes a lot of chain reaction. So people are selling their stocks while rushing it out to the door. But some rescue. Okay, I might need to put this a little bit higher. Market move within the zone.
Just hot water.
Hop water. I'm here. Oh, look at those 240s just rolled off. I'm just paper hands today. Kind of go over your strategy, like maybe like the basics of it, just so people at
No
chat
problem.
can kind of
Okay,
follow
I
along.
have no problem. I have prepared some stuff for people. Okay, so this is the basic
You
highs
got a whole
and lows.
slideshow? Are you kidding me? Look, this is crazy. All right.
Yes,
here's the
I
slideshow.
did. I drawed it one by one.
All right, you have,
Okay,
you have 5
No.
minutes to do your slideshow.
no problem. Okay, I got no problem. So the market moved within the zone. So this is exactly what we saw, right? So the 60-minute go up and down, up and down. Okay. So someone broke the support and causes a lot of chain reaction. So people are selling their stocks while rushing it out to the door. But some rescue. Okay, I might need to put this a little bit higher.
Yeah, if you can raise
How
the
about
frames
this?
a little bit. Yeah, just
Yeah.
I'll need a little bit more.
How about this? Is it
Oh, there we
better?
go. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect. Perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So go back to the game. People are rushing out the door. The door is so small, so people are squeezing out the door, and in the meantime, suddenly that some rescue, some big giant, some adult came into the room and they rescued everybody. So they brought the price back into the zone, back into the range. So this is what I do. I always place a trade here. So this is the 60-minute chart. What will it be inside the 5-minute chart? So it will be like this. So this is, we remember the 3-bar reversal the other day. So it's exactly the same. So this is what I call standard pattern in Taiwan. I call it 标准图. That means I see it everywhere. So it's just reverse head and shoulders. So this is what I do. And also, you can see the reverse head and shoulder here. And the next one, you might be able to see this. This is what we were expecting for NASDAQ. So the ceiling becomes the floor. So this is my hit zone. And this is my stop. So short. Just a little bit lower. Lower here. So this might be my take profit. So my risk and reward ratio, maybe 1-5 or 1-8 or something.
Oh, wow.
So it's a good deal. Yeah, it's a good deal for me to do it. So if I'm looking for head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder pattern, this is my entry, my hit zone. I always entry next to a T-bar, a pin bar. So this is my entry over here. So exactly what I did earlier, the trade. So this is my stop. Yeah. So this will be my take profit because this is the highs before.
NASDAQ melting over again. Range has been
Kevin
very
was
tight.
Kevin was cooking, so I didn't want to interrupt, but I did get back in short. I'm short the S&P from 57.67 half.
Good job.
Yeah,
let Kevin cook.
Tariffs. Talk on tariffs.
How does the tariff news come out exactly at the high of the range? They time that out or something? Just ridiculous.
I got my offers in. Drop the news.
What a coincidence.
Let's go.
Log one MES.
Right.
The economic advisor is saying we'll see a bigger hit on government unemployment. Sorry if you've already read these, Eddie. Seen them.
No, it's fine. Always bring them back. Bring it back.
Kevin, do you have social media? Should people go to your YouTube?
Yeah, but they're in Chinese. Yeah, I have 1 or 2 videos in English. You can Google something in English, but they're mostly in Chinese.
Okay. Did you have one video in English? I thought you had one.
Yeah, I did one video.
Oh, you did do one. Okay, maybe we can find that. Do you have the link for it?
The link. Okay, so where should I post the link? Just directly.
You can't post links. Post it in the VMix chat. So in the green room.
Okay.
And I'll post it
into
YouTube, so that way YouTube can get it. But I think unless do you have a blue check mark in your name in YouTube or no?
No.
Okay, then post it in VMix and I'll send it over. Okay, so NASDAQ sold off from 20,240s, top of range, down to 20,085. It's like 160 points in minutes. So NASDAQ never change. Never change. Chat, we're gonna try to get you that video. The English video of Kevin describing his pin bar trading strategy. It's super cool. Kevin is a coach. His specialty is the Asian markets for our Asian traders.
Log one.
NASDAQ.
Taking it off. We're up 332.
Cooking.
I'm cursed, Dolby, until we size up.
Cursed? What? It's only winners on 1 micro, and then as soon as you get to like 2 minis, it's just going to be a catastrophe. Is that what you're
Sounds
saying?
about right.
Sounds about right. All right, chat. Any bets on that? Put them in there. We'll see.
NASDAQ 73% long. We got gold 72% long. I think NASDAQ pulling back a little bit here right now.
Or it is a chop fest right now. We are right back in the middle of this 50% move between 20,000 evens and say 20,000 250s or so. Evens, or 50% would be 20,000 140s. What's up?
73% long NASDAQ in the tilt, 67% long ES, 64 long crude oil, 71 long gold. People are long their stuff.
Yeah, we should have Dakota back Monday, the rest of the Top Step TV back Monday. I think Nick for a Tick might be back Monday or next week. It's a skeleton crew of all skeleton crews, but we're crushing it. We're having a good time. This is fun. We're gonna post Kevin's channel very soon, very soon.
Good job, Limitless, passing second 50K combine. Good job. Call it. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show.
Yep. Oh, nice. We get long here.
We're right at
Such a
SPX
steady trade.
5750 right now.
I definitely should have got long further down. The range trade has been very good. Very good today.
Oh my! I missed my chance.
Oh, 'cause I sent you on that errand. Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Doing it for the people, Kevin. Doing it for the people.
I send it to you from Discord.
Discord? Perfect. That works.
Yeah.
That works. And if you like Kevin, like we all do, please, when I put this link in, like and subscribe to his channel. And if you like his channel, also like and subscribe to ours. We are trying to get to 150,000 subscribers, and we are less than 500 subscribers away. Less than 500.
I'm gonna shout.
So I just put the link in for Kevin's YouTube, and this is the English video describing his pin bar strategy. Actually, is this the exact same slideshow, Kevin?
No, not the one, not the same one.
Okay.
I made the slide today.
Today? Oh, you're the best.
Yeah.
You're the best. If we get to, actually, Kevin, if we want to go back to it, we can probably finish up the slides here. NASDAQ is literally in the middle of a range right now, so we're in the middle of the middle. Maybe if we get down towards
that's
the
right.
extremes. So, if we want to finish up the presentation, I think chat would really appreciate it. There's not really a trade on for the house right now. It's very range bound right here.
The presentation is done. It's
that was it.
Explain everything.
Perfect.
Yeah, that was it. Yes.
Oh, yeah, you're a killer, man. All right, chat. Do you have any
Elevator
questions?
pitch.
Do you have any questions? Yeah, that's right.
Right. So the 60-minute go up and down, up and down. Okay. So someone broke the support and causes a lot of chain reaction. So people are selling their stocks while rushing it out to the door. But some rescue. Okay, I might need to put this a little bit higher.
Yeah, if you can raise the frames a little bit. Yeah, I'll need a little bit more.
How about this? Is it
there
better?
we go. Perfect. Yeah, that's perfect.
Perfect. Okay. So go back to the game. People are rushing out the door. The door is so small, so people are squeezing out the door, and in the meantime, suddenly that some rescue, some big giant, some adult came into the room and they rescued everybody. So they brought the price back into the zone, back into the range. So this is what I do. I always place a trade here. So this is the 6
order filled.
Chart. What will it be inside the 5-minute chart? So it will be like this. So this is, we remember the 3-bar reversal the other day.
Mm-hmm.
So it's exactly the same. So this is what I call standard pattern in Taiwan. I call it 标准图. That means I see it everywhere. So it's just reverse head and shoulders. So this is what I do. And also, you can see the reverse head and shoulder here. And the next one, you might be able to see this. This is what we were expecting for NASDAQ. So the ceiling becomes the floor. So this is my hit zone. And this is my stop. So short. Just a little bit lower. Lower here. So this might be my take profit. So my risk and reward ratio maybe 1-to-5 or 1-to-8 or something.
Oh, wow.
So it's a good deal. Yeah, it's a good deal for me to do it. So if I'm looking for head and shoulder, reverse head and shoulder pattern, this is my entry, my hit zone. I always entry next to a T-bar, a pin bar. So this is my entry over here. So exactly what I did earlier, the trade. So this is my stop. Yeah. So this will be my take profit because this is the highs before.
NASDAQ melting
And
over again. Range has been
Kevin
very
was
tight.
Kevin was cooking, so
wow,
I didn't want to interrupt, but I did get back in short. I'm short the S&P from 57,
Holy shit.
67 half.
good job.
Yeah,
I wanted to
the
let
Everyone
Kevin
is
Wow.
cook.
Everyone is
tariffs.
cooking.
Talk on tariffs.
How does
Oh my God.
Order filled.
the chat appreciates your face on there, Jack. Sense of humor, your killer MES trades, also all the production. Incredible stuff. NASDAQ, a little bit slippery here, slip it down below 20,100. It's a range trade coming back. Go ahead.
Now, I was going to say, did I see Jack say in the chat that he produced one of the songs in the break that we had? Is that right?
Yeah. Oh, yeah. The fast market opening with the
Order filled.
Oh, you did that.
Oh,
nice.
Really? I didn't know that. That's awesome.
Jack of all trades.
Seriously. They have a miner. Oh, I didn't know that either. Wow. We're learning a whole lot about Jack today. Miner and music tech. What is that? Just like Pro Tools? I used Logic. Now I use a lot. I stay with the Adobe frame now, so anything that's not music I use. What's it called? Audition. That's actually why I'm the voice for a lot of the ads and stuff you see for Top Step, because my wife does voiceover work too, so I actually have on the podcast. No, I got the big rig, Shure SM7B. I got a Timu microphone that just plays toilet sounds when I leave. It's really frustrating.
That's something. Hey,
Does do
folks,
something.
we got Bobo Bowman speaking here. He does say the labor market economic activity will become a larger factor in the U.S. Central Bank policy discussions going forward. He also says shots and structural changes since COVID pandemic may have masked transmission of the Fed policy to the economy. Well, Mr. Bowman, clear that up so we get a good answer. We got here, Bowman, so far.
Well, thank you. John Gabriel, I just put his YouTube link back in there. Want to learn more about the pin bar strategy? There is a link in chat. What is in English? Kevin, thank you so much. How are your classes going over in Taiwan? You're doing in-person classes, aren't you?
No, online.
Oh, it's all online.
Yeah.
Do you have meetup? I thought I saw a picture where you were teaching in front of a bunch of trading students. Was that like a one-off?
It's a seminar. Yeah, one-off. Yeah, seminar.
Oh, got it.
So people get together and.
Go ahead, yeah.
No, I mean I was just explaining the seminar. We get together. Oh, I see the bar pattern is starting to form. Because I see.
Walk us through it.
Right now I'm in the not yet, but it's gonna form at the support area. So you can see the 1 minute chart. You can see constant buyers. They're buying here. So we can see the wick over here. But I don't really like this one because first of all, it is not the very edge of the price. And second of all, it falls inside this distance. So it's just kind of tricky. I got support here and I got resistance here. So I'm not sure. It's not that easy. So let me see if I can find something else in other time frame.
Yeah. Wow, it comes back in. Establishing a range. So we bounced off that 50%.
Because I like to wait for the bar to be smaller, not too big. So look at the trade I just did. Let me open the execution. Okay, let's look at this one. The trade I just did. So this one is the small K bar. So bigger K bar is furious.
Does the tariff news come out exactly at the high of the range? They time that out or something? Just ridiculous.
I got my offers in. Drop the news.
Catch the volume knife. So I always wait till.
It was too big. You want like a
short stout pin bar.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Got it.
That's what I was waiting for. So I don't like to be face to face with a falling knife. No.
Yeah, we're also very close to 20,000 evens. Like stupid close. We're 70 points away.
So bigger K bar is furious.
That level to inflict some pain on these bulls.
It's not that easy. So let me see if I can find something else in other time frame.
Yeah.
Mm,
Oh, buyers once again
wow,
coming back in, establishing a range.
yeah.
So we bounced off that 50%.
Because I like to wait for the bar to be smaller, not too big. So look at the trade I just did. Let me see. Let me open the execution. Okay, let's look at this one. The trade I just did. So this one is the small K bar. So bigger K bar is furious downward, and I wanted to turn small bars. So and the ones we just saw, it did not happen. So I didn't enter the market
because it was too big.
So you
want like a short stout pin bar.
Yeah. That's right.
Got it.
That's what I was waiting for. So I don't like to be face to face with a falling knife. No.
Yeah, we're also very close to 20,000 evens. Like stupid close. We're 70 points away. I mean, we gotta think the bears are eyeing that level to inflict some pain on these bulls.
I think so. Because it is supposed to go up, all the way up, but it didn't.
It did not. I'm kind of interested in longs down here. It's getting cheap. Jack, did you?
I did take a. Ooh. I'm in a long 57.39 in the S&Ps.
S&Ps, okay.
Just trading this range.
Jack, you're long too.
Different time frame. I'm long to MES from 36.5, and just holding for now. There's like doing the same thing I said this morning until Powell talks. I'm gonna see if we could hold the 5,700 SPX level on this options Friday, and then I'll be out below it. I'm still thinking about how much I want to risk on this trade. It starts getting down around there, so more to come.
Order filled.
Keep us posted. Jack, the MES sniper. We'll see if he can scale up.
Order filled.
Into a E-mini contract. Palms sweaty.
Order filled.
Jack's got this. Still waiting. Still waiting here. Looking for this push down below 20,040s. I think we might get a cheap long down there. I might nibble at a little something. We can get down there. Kevin might as well. He's waiting for a pin bar formation. It's been a great range trade. If you were ready for a range trade today, range traders got paid. They got paid early. Market is waiting. Mr. No Nick, I agree. I also like Kevin's style. It's a very cool style. Nice and simple. Kevin, do you have any other setups? You just run that one setup every single time?
If you want it short, you just
order filled.
Okay, so it's one. You have one tool in the toolbox. I'm a one toolbox trader.
Yeah, only one tool. Yeah, that's right. I used to have a lot of tools. I use KD.
Order filled.
MACDs, you name it. I use them all. Yeah,
but not anymore. Down to one.
Not anymore. I met an old guy that he didn't even see.
Order filled.
He read numbers, only numbers, and he's telling me that the market is it's gonna stop at this price.
Order
I
filled.
can only see numbers jumping up on his screen. There's no chart, and he's making millions.
Really?
Yeah.
Staring at the dome all day?
No, he doesn't stare at all day. He's a swing trader. He's trading a bigger time frame. Yeah. But I've been to his house. for like nearly a month every day. He let me go there and watch him trade. At that time, I was using all the indicators you can think of. On my screen was so complex. I have 2 or 3 screens, and
And
the guy
now you're down to one.
doesn't see anything, makes millions in front of me.
Pretty humbling, huh?
Yeah, and he said I read too much, too many things.
I wish I could have been a fly on the wall during that, Kevin. That sounds great. Having a mentor is such a big difference in trading. It can really
Oh, yeah.
shorten your learning curve by like years. Years it will shave off your learning curve if you can find a mentor, even a friend, anything really. Just doing it completely alone from start to finish is a real grind. Do not recommend it. Well, guess what? NASDAQ bounced. Range trade has stayed steady.
Hey guys, good job.
Yep.
Oh, this is the pattern. This is the pattern we were talking about.
Oh yeah.
The reverse head and shoulder pattern. But I didn't see exactly my setup. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I like this pattern a lot because I've been using it for my stocks, for my own personal account, and my long-term stock and short-term, like even 1 minute trade. I'm using the same technique.
All the same. That's cool how
All the
how that
same.
system can kind of scale to anything and everything. Probably makes
Yeah.
your trading and investing a lot easier. It's just where's my trade at? Where's my setup?
We're out, Dolby.
Me too.
We're out.
Account. Yep. We're up 460. Where are you at, Jay?
330,
Yeah,
26. I got out.
I took profit from Top Step. Yes, I took payouts. Yes.
Yes. Oh, is chat weighing you down? Don't worry about chat. They're fine. They actually really like you. They actually want you here every day. All right, Jay, you're out too?
Yeah, I'm out. I'm flat. Plus 330. I got out FU up.
Nice. Okay. Jack's still carving it up with micros. Putting up a great day with micro trades. So, Jack, you're up, what, 400 bucks? Approximately?
Don't shortchange me. I am up $459.50.
Oh, I have to round up. You're at $500. Congratulations. All with micros, too. Chat, I mean, you can carve it up with micros. $500 is an excellent day. An excellent day.
Honestly,
what was
this
like
is
your
a
total
perfect
risk?
example.
Yeah.
Perfect example for using micros. I'm trading minis and up 330. Jack's trading micros and up $200 more than me. Because the downside of, and I'm trading 5 times the size, right? Where
right, it's head.
My losses
One
are
thing
bigger
I will take as we go into house account thing. I think the reason I'm being better with them isn't necessarily the size. I don't want to do the FOMO where it's like, oh yeah, if I just click the ES and the MES, we'd be up $4,600 right now. No, I am reminded that I think what kind of kneecapping me before is I have to be able to scale in and out of things to hold. Like yesterday, I think I made $1,000 yesterday, and I was the only long trade, right? And I think the most I drew down was like $300 at one point. But the only reason I was able to do that was because at one point I had 6 micros on, and then on the pops, because I was adding very sporadically, I could just battle back, take 2 off, take the profit on some of them while still defending the position. When we're in or out with 1 or 2 ES, that's how I got carved. You remember that day when Dakota was on when I lost all the money and he made it at the end? I think that's because I was being a wuss. Just following straight. Well, no, seriously, because he was taking like 5 contracts and I was taking like 1 or 2. We were trading the NQ. And it was like, because he took 5, he was able to peel off some of the winners before they came and smacked me in my face over and over again. It was brutal to watch. But whatever I trade, I need more like units. It's not necessarily the
Yes.
size in dollars.
Yeah, do you feel like it's easier to, Jack, placing trades in MES just from like a mental capital standpoint? It's just easier to get in and out because there's not so much on the line.
Definitely, but I think for me is I have no problem with one or two MES. If I was to trade the same way I trade today, I need to be willing to put on 6 ES, and yeah, that for what I'm doing would probably make me not feel good because if I'm trading that, I'd be looking at I want at least 10K of room, 10K of room, right? And
Right.
it doesn't feel good to lose $10,000 on YouTube.
No, it does not. Not in the slightest. NQ here. Off on my 20,050s. We're starting to sniff the new lows here. 20,000, 2025. Kevin, you got to be kind of honed in right now.
Order filled.
To one of your levels, you're probably a pin bar formation away from getting into
Order filled.
Actually, I just placed 3 micros.
Ooh.
I just did.
Right here, right now.
Within this,
Order filled.
Right now, yes.
All right, I'm in then. I like that trade. House count is in. Oh my goodness. Boy, that was not good timing.
Oh my goodness, come on.
That was not good timing. Please go. Please go back up.
What are we doing, Dolby?
Oh, nothing, Jack. Don't worry.
Oh my God, the house account.
Wow, that was terrible timing. All right, minus 500 on that one. That was a quick fiver. You can get it back.
Order filled.
Kevin, not blaming you. If I had taken any of your other trades today, it would have been great.
Hey, we got just over the wire here. Trump is going to be delivering some remarks here at 11 a.m. Eastern time. So about a half an hour here.
Order filled.
We'll see what he's got to say.
Order filled.
Let's see, we're getting some more interesting levels.
Yeah,
1 hour powder range.
Order filled.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. This looks very, very heavy. This looks very, very heavy. Oh, melted.
Yeah.
Melted through. Barely touched 20,000s. Is this gonna be a 20,000 sub 20,000?
Nope.
Hey, 19,000s.
Wow.
That rejection at VWAP, we were trading both sides of it, and then we started to use it as a resistance. Yeah, I think this is the other side of that equation, Jack, we were talking about. If we can't hold above that 200 moving average, is there the downside?
Just sell one right here, right now.
Man, I got long 1 MES just now. We're looking at different things, so.
Yeah, 100%.
Right.
I've retreated. I was talking earlier how I've retreated to 57.10 is sort of like do or die. We start breaking below that. Well, that wouldn't.
I would love for maybe a pullback, Kevin, up to 20,000 and see if a short manifests.
Yeah, that would be good.
This thing just got so heavy. 19,000, 960s and counting. Bears on parade right now.
120 offered at 950. Or sorry, 120 bid at 950 build.
Whole range is broken.
Wow.
How do we get into this one? This thing is melting. 930.
All
right, here we go. Here's very close to that options left. Very close to SPX at 5,700.
And that was a key level, right? A lot of
yes.
Okay.
Huge. If we break through that with momentum. Okay, so that's what I'm playing now. I'm long 3 MES.
I want to see if I can hit short 965s.
1 minute starting to coil a little bit.
Pull back here on the open 30-second chart. 1 minute starting.
Okay, y'all are gonna have to listen. I don't have time to update these positions.
That's fine.
Y'all are gonna have to listen.
Since we are looking at different markets. Yeah, if you just mention what market you're looking at.
Different markets.
because we did have those 57s trading in the ES and the NASDAQ. So let us know what market you're trading.
Crude oil, yes. Let's go.
Ooh. Did not get the pullback.
Here we go.
Did not get the pullback yet.
No. In the gold, I would not go any long here. I would not do any long position here at this point.
Longs? No.
Not at this area. No.
I'm looking for shorts. I want a continuation short. Let's see if we can get up, maybe run these 60s or 70s.
Order filled.
And then
It's a good idea, yes.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I can't get filled. This is like an aggressive trade too. I'm on a 30-second chart trying to get this fill here, and it's not happening. Lower highs all the way through the whole range on this 30-second. Maybe we get a bounce here and we can test the high of the 30-second range and then roll over again.
You mean NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Order filled.
This thing could get nasty today. What are we down so far today on the day?
Get it?
Not even 1% yet.
Oh my god.
Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here's 57. We're at 5,700 right now in SPX.
Right here, right now, 5700s, SPX.
Okay, can we hold it?
Maybe a temp bounce. If it doesn't, for maybe a short. Because NASDAQ's bidding too right now. Did a little run of 920s and now it's kind of back up. I still want to hold on to this short here and see.
Are you in, Dolby?
No, I've been bidding or offering 965s for like probably a good 2 minutes here.
I'm short from 16.5 in the S&P.
Nice.
I kind of want to add to this if we're going to flush, but I got to wait to see what happens at that 5,700.
This feels kind of fundamental.
Order filled.
How about those shorts up at 20,200s? That looks like a steal right now. It's a 300-point move.
Percentage-wise, we're down 0.68 in the S&P and in the NASDAQ 0.84. So we got some room.
You officially definitely cracked the 5,700 as spot market.
Okay. Maybe a stop sell? Ugh, never. Hit rate with stop sell orders is not great. Nice range though. Come on, let's range up and
Order filled.
bid up 30 points. All we need. What are you seeing over there, Kevin? Any pin bars? Or just melting.
It's still melting. No.
Still melting.
Still melting.
New lows by just a tick. 915s. Trading in the NASDAQ. I think the whole market is ES rolling over, RTY rolling over. Don't have access to YM, probably rolling over. A little bit of a bid here in NASDAQ. Any large term levels that we're looking at that could potentially offer up this big
Order filled.
At least anything down to maybe 19,800s, 50s. Still feel pretty comfortable.
Next support options. So like 56.50. Apple's the contrarian indicator in the Mag 7 these days.
Yeah, for now. Nothing can
Hey,
change.
Carvana's down.
Oh, shocker.
70.
Right.
Tesla has closed the gap from the election. Pretty much. What's getting smoked? Meta's getting smoked the most. Then Tesla.
A little bit of a bid here.
Oh, you got close to my thing and you didn't come for it.
Let's see,
What a
let's
motherfuckers.
see. Can you
Oh,
test those
this is terrible.
965s?
Oh, come on.
No, NASDAQ is stopping.
Yeah, it's getting a little.
I just added short 2.
Ooh, nice.
13 half.
Good.
Nice.
139.
Jack, I'll be right back.
All righty.
Keeping this order in though. Let's just stop in.
I don't have a picture for you.
That's fine. Just put up like a toilet seat or something.
Actually, I could. I gotta watch the market.
Order filled.
All right, hanging out right around these lows.
Oops, he's a 100 lot.
Yeah, so we need to be careful with this one, because this one is at 13.
NASDAQ.
Yeah, we got predictably a lot of orders on the bid, 5,700 even in the futures.
Order filled.
There we go, new low.
Order filled.
Stop on there. I'm gonna stop on this. And that's biatch.
Some
Biatch.
coming over the wire regarding DeepSeek. White House.
Oh no.
Order filled.
Thank you. Made a boo boo. Made a boo boo.
Still wondering what Trump's going to be saying.
Volatility. I did it. Came back
Going to be speaking
from
in just a few minutes.
600 and change to $4.
For the day. I did post his
Man.
chat. Wanted to take a look at it, but Williams coming up here 9:45 here.
This is
11 o'clock.
this is one you guys should review.
11:30 Powell.
God damn it.
And Cooper going to come back at 12 o'clock to join the Baker's Hughes rig count. That's what we got here, folks.
Thank you, God Almighty. So, like I said, watch. The target that I had previously, 15-minute chart, put attention.
Still rolling over here.
No lie. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Really nice continuation volume on this, so I am not seeing a reason to get out of this trade yet. 5,700 here might give us a little bit. So a little bit.
Where
of a
is
bounce.
it? Where is it? I put the level.
But if this volume stays,
Where are the levels? Oh man.
For this short. This trade
maybe
cannot
it's
be a
back
loser
here.
at this point. Where my
There it is.
So it's either going to be a small winner or a bigger winner.
Short. 2077.
Any bounces I'm looking to add to.
Short. 19.
Opportunity here.
1908. I placed it here earlier.
It's bouncing back.
That's why next time I'm gonna place it up here.
Different trades, different time frame.
Yep.
Me? I placed it here long time ago.
Really just
At the earlier. I placed it for everything.
I'm still liking shorts. Just need to find a way to get into one.
What I had to do, I had to remove the risk.
Where the bids are.
And I left this one at 75.
Ladder, Dolby.
Don't tempt me with a good time.
Whole lot.
A good spot. A good spot. What's going on in chat? Chat, how you trading today?
Look at that.
Hopefully you're enjoying this price action.
9,
Actually, all week the price action has been very, very fun.
What did I put here? 8.
Opportunities abound in NASDAQ.
put
Had a 3%
8.
day yesterday. We're working on a
802.
1% day today.
Added short
Nice.
3.
Nice. Micro's putting in work today.
Let's see.
I think we get long right here, right now. Right here, right now.
This is epic. I came back
Just see
to
what
even.
happens. Just kidding.
Okay,
I'm just trying to get people faded in chat.
Look at that. Average
Shame on
win,
you.
average loss.
And you threw the gauntlet.
105. 1308. We're down.
Ooh, am I in? Am I not in? Nobody knows.
But look at this. We holding steady.
Dolby time. Did you know gauntlet comes from an old French word for glove?
Really?
And we talked about running the gauntlet is an old military form for punishment, which the victim runs between 2 rows of men wearing armored gloves who beat him as he passes through the lines.
Oh, wow.
All right, I'm flat there. Lost about $100 on that trade. What I was trying to do, I was up a little bit on the day, and I said this during At the Buzzer yesterday. I want to start to get a little bit more, and Coach Paul said it, assertive in trades, where it's not overly aggressive, where I'm not risking a whole lot, right? I was in a 3-lot position, and risking $100 there. So trying to find ways to add where it's either going to cost me a little bit or it's going to make a lot on that trade, right? A lot of times I think what happens with bigger positions is we put all the size on up front. And if that position goes against you, you're immediately in a hole, right? Where I had a one lot, let that one lot do the work, and then try to add to that position for potential continuation. Now it's either going to be a small loser, $100 on a 3 lot, or a bigger winner. That trade was up, $1,000 at one point, but my target was a lot further.
A lot further.
So
hey, you had a plan.
Completely comfortable with that. Yep.
Had a plan. Stick with the plan. Trigger. What happened to integrity, Jack? What happened to it?
The J, Dr.
You muted?
J.
Even there?
BDSM from.
Oh, he's gone. I don't have his face up. My bad.
Got tossed out
Evan-
with the baby in the
We got a lot of
bathwater.
stuff to look at, y'all. A lot of stuff to look at.
Toby, did you
No, we are
long?
not in.
Toby,
We are
did
not
you-
in the short. We are not in the short. We are not in the long.
Nice, Jack. I like it. Holding that 57.10s. We're back above it. We have to be at
Nice
this point.
trade.
Right?
Cross the 30%. So.
1 second.
Yeah, how's the count is flat?
I just ran to call Pelosi.
Oh, did you? Yeah, what's she up to?
Selling. I can't think right now.
I know. We're almost there. Almost there, buddy.
Selling Nvidia puts.
Selling Nvidia puts. There it is.
Okay. I share one strategy I use a lot, that the range tend to go the same range.
Order
For example,
filled.
The range from the top to bottom is like 200 something, 200 points. So if it breaks here, it will go down like a lot, about 200. So I use it to set my take profit point. So if I long here and the market goes up,
Trigger. What happened to integrity, Jack? What happened to it? You muted? Even there? Oh, he's gone. I don't have his face up. My bad.
Got tossed out
Evan-
with the baby in the
We got a lot
bathwater.
of stuff to look at, y'all. A lot of stuff to look at.
Toby, did you
No, we are
long?
not in.
Toby,
We are
did
not
you-
in the short. We are not in the short. And we are not in the long.
Nice, Jack. I like it. Holding that 57.10s. We're back above it. We have to be at
Nice
this point.
trade.
Right?
1 second.
Yeah, how's the count is flat?
I just ran to call Pelosi.
Oh, did you? Yeah, what's she up to?
Selling. I can't think right now.
I know. We're almost there. Almost there, buddy.
Selling Nvidia puts.
Selling Nvidia puts. There it is.
Okay. I share one strategy I use a lot, that the range tend to go the same range. For example, the range from the top to bottom is like 200 something, 200 points. So if it breaks here, it will go down like a lot, about 200 points. So this is what I do a lot. So I use it to set my take profit point. So if I long here and the market goes up as I expected, so this will be my take profit point over here. The same ratio. So this is what I do. Yeah.
Okay, cool. So it's like it's all ratioed out. So you're expecting certain moves based off of the moves that have already kind of sort of taken place.
Yeah,
Man,
that's right. That's right.
back down again.
And we
Bears
can
came
see that
in
all the way.
convincingly. Yeah, go ahead.
No, we can see the same pattern in different time frames. It's all the same.
It is.
Yeah.
100% it is. Kevin, you and I think a lot alike
A whole lot of life.
Really? Yes. Good. Actually, I found a lot of traders we think alike. Maybe we use different languages,
Yes.
we use different words, but we think the same thing.
I can
Yeah,
show
it's a
you
lot
guys
of just like rebranding. What do you got, Jack?
Well, I'm fighting. I said my thesis, and like I talked about earlier, is the ability to add and take off is what is keeping me in this fight on a different time frame. So I was trying to get that 5700 SPX to hold, scaled very gingerly into it with micros. I think I got up to 5 micros, so I'm really pushing it. Then on the pop, I took 3 of them off, and I'm fighting another day. So right now, I'm long to MES and business, man.
Got right up to 20. My charts freeze?
Mine just did. That's not good.
That's not good. That's not good. We have a show to do. Who broke the market?
Talk about that trade a little bit, because I was in a short, trying to build into a short, and I got stopped out for negative $100, and having a conversation with a trader in the chat, which it's fine. Everyone could have an opinion about. We're back. Oh, we're back.
Game on.
All right. I'll shut up. Back to the trades.
Game on.
Crude just sold off $1.
Wow.
Okay, well above 20,000 now. Actually, not really well above. 10 points higher than 20,000. Fighting to get back into that range.
Is that a real gap in crude oil?
It might be.
What time frame are you on? 1 minute?
1 minute.
Oh no,
yes.
Well, I mean, there was the Putin news. Let me check this out.
I mean, do we like longs here now? Or do we stick 20,000? Stick the landing on 20,000 and just bid back up?
Oh, actually, if it gets back up,
maybe. I'm gonna buy one with a tight stop.
Wow! If you
long
can see
994.
If you can see the 60-minute chart, there's some big players trying to buy back NASDAQ, buy back to 20,000.
We're break even on this one. We're long one. 19,994. Already break even. I think buyers might be coming in pretty strong.
Nice.
Dolby, did you Slack the right people?
I did. Yeah. Nick A knows. And if he knows,
I saw people saying trap confirmed. Yes, I like people trapping inside the pin bar, inside the wick. I'm a bad person.
Oh, we're still in.
I like to close the door.
We're out, we're in. We're out?
Yes, this is the pin bar for 60-minute.
Order filled.
Okay.
So you're out.
Yeah, we had a pretty tight stop on that one. I wanted that to go like right here, right now. We might have just gotten like
I know,
and this might just rally for like 200 points, or it might have been the best decision ever. Best decision ever. That's the one that wins. Really wanted to see 20,000 or 20,020s just pop right there. Did not get the immediate price action that we wanted. Made about $10 or something. This might end up bidding up again. Might have been a stop run.
Actually, if I see a 1 hour chart, the pin bar like this, I will wait for the next bar to open.
Okay. Okay, nice.
Yeah, for this one to confirm, to make sure that the close price stay within the range, inside the range. Yeah, and if the close price of this bar is too low, that will be no good.
No. What a rally. I should not have gone break even. Hold on.
It's okay.
It's always the worst. I hate it so much.
No,
Can't make money if you're
we made
scared.
money.
Scared money, don't make money. Where did we get stopped out at? Oh, 994s, 995s. Yeah, we were fine. Cool. Back to the drawing board. Okay, chat. We talked to the people in charge, the engineering team, and the platform team. They are aware. Forwarding all the information over. Discord is aware. Ambassadors are aware. Nikkei is aware.
Order filled.
We will get you an answer and solutions. It's
What's your
about
P&L,
a minute.
It'll be
minus 491. So just like we got like 10, $20 on that one. Nothing crazy.
I got flat as well. I'm up 543.
Nice. So we're about scratch on the day. I still want to
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
when it is going down, I bought at this price. Let me show you guys. It's so
Nice trade, Kevin.
it was going down, but suddenly someone bought it and someone make it happen. So I saw the move, I followed the move, I placed my trade over here.
Killer trade.
So I was waiting for this line to break, and all the stops over here, they will stop here. I was one of them. So I will laugh at their stops, and then I will collect their position.
Collect their tears,
and
put them in
make
a
it
bucket.
mine.
Have you and Mohammed been on together yet? I feel like you and Mo would really resonate.
So I like to see people stopping. So I wait for people to stop.
Yeah, I mean, just
it's always good when you're crossing the street. Yeah.
Yeah, look both ways. Look to the left.
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
Hey, I'm walking here. I'm walking here.
I think it's important to reiterate from time to time is, we see a lot of people say, oh, something must do this or do that every time. Selling off a little bit here. Every time.
Does make it hard. It makes it fun.
Hey, folks, you know what? We're really close to 150K here as far as subscribers. Very close. It's knocking on the door. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and hit that thumbs up like button if you like what's going on here. We've got a lot of people watching, but we got to get that like going and subscribe button.
Need some
lots
subscribes.
of good things going to hit once we hit that 150, and have some probably next week, I would think. Thanks to you guys.
Man,
or else.
Ooh,
I think.
Look at that. Ooh, Andre. We all miss Andre. Andre will be back on Monday with the rest of the Top Step TV crew. Oh, there we go.
There we go.
That's how you get busted in Vegas. Doing the whole rotisserie.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, Kevin, you haven't seen that? That's an old favorite.
Oh yeah,
I know it is.
Classics. Some real classics. It got cold in this house. It needs more action. NQ, wake up, do something. Ooh, nice little
waiting for Powell, waiting for Donnie.
Yep.
Is the president still talking?
Is he?
As far as I know, I have not seen any juicy comments. No, no vowels, no consonants coming from Mr. Trump yet.
I'm out.
You're out. Nice. Oh, maybe I got stopped out.
No, I didn't make any money. I'm out.
No, flat. You know what I like though, Kevin, is that you see your setup and you take your setup, and whatever happens, happens. There's no paper handsing trades. You just take the trade, and if it loses, it loses. If it wins, then that's great.
Wins, yeah.
But I love the obsession of not caring about putting on a trade. You just put it on. We don't know what's going to happen. We have no idea.
No idea.
So I'm on YouTube,
and
there's
be careful. Be careful if it falls back to 70 something. The trend is not looking good. It's going downward. Be careful.
It is. I mean, we are doing lower highs still pretty consistently today. Did not get back above 20,040s at all.
That's right.
Stair step is still to the bearish side. If you're looking at maybe a 1 hour or 30-minute chart, still stair stepping lower. Maybe this changes with this range that we're in right now, but I think bears are still in control, as Mo would say.
Oh, they're eating.
They're eating
because we're living. This is the first day where since 2023 we're living below the 200-day average in the spot S&P. Now, this day is pretty important because it will be our first close below it. Let me see if I'll pull up my thing.
Going back years now.
Of course.
Nice
Share
job,
this
Matt Rad.
tab.
Up 11K. Congratulations.
Mm.
Don't spend it all in one place. Have a great weekend. Jack, I pulled up this YouTube. Associated Press has a countdown timer for Trump delivers remarks from Oval Office, but it's 47 minutes.